Hello and welcome back to Fashion with Sort Out YouTube channel. So in this tutorial we are going to be learning how to make this beautiful cold shoulder balloon sleeve. Okay, so I have my satin folded into two, just like you can see it. So I have like 22 inches on fold, as you can see it. So I'm cutting the two sleeves together. Now, the sleeve is a balloon sleeve with a band. So what we'll do first is place our tape rule in this manner in order to get our accurate length. The total length we are working with is 22. Now, the band I'm making use of is 6 inches. So what I will do now is place our tape rule in this manner such that the starting point, you see the way the tape rule is placed. So like I have 4 inches above the fold. Do you understand? So that 4 inches will serve as the opening of our cold shoulder. So measuring the remaining length that I have, the total length with the 4 inches up gives us 18 inches, and we actually need 17 inches for the balloon part of the sleeve, while the band part will be 6 inches. So that will give us 22 inches altogether. Now coming to this side of the fold, we are going to mark out our armhole, and just like off shoulder, sorry guys, just like off shoulder, I have 4 inches left up, and then I'm going to mark on the clothes 4 inches. So the 4 inches I have up will serve as the off part of it, the opened part of the sleeve. So now the remaining parts of the chest line, the armhole rather, will be 4 inches. So I'm going to mark out 4 inches just as you see me doing it, and then make my armhole cuff with my cuff ruler. After this has been done, the next thing I'm going to do is pick my scissors and then cut out the armhole side. Do you understand? I hope I'm not confusing you. So what I did was to place my tape rule 4 inches above the fold, and then I now mark 4 inches on the cloth itself to form my armhole. That gives us 8 inches that we used to have for the armhole. Now I'm going to open the sleeve and then separate the two sleeves. Remember, I folded the two sleeves together, so I opened it and then I'm making a cut. Each one will serve as a sleeve for for each hand. Do we understand? So it's not going to be lined. What I'm going to do next is make a casing like you see me fold it. I'm just going to go and sew it, and then I'll put, that's the casing for the elastic. I'm just going to put the elastic and then come to the down part of the sleeve. I'll make a gathers. So that gathers is what we are going to join to our band. Now to cut our band, what I will do is fold the cloth into two and then into four, since we are cutting the two bands together. I hope you understand. So next I'm going to mark out 6 inches, which I want as the length of my band. I'm going to cut out 6 inches. So after that, I'm going to make sure that I have my round circumference, my sleeve circumference on what I folded, and I'm sure I will have it. So what I'm going to do next is trim it and then have the accurate measurement I needed for my round sleeve. Do we understand? I hope I'm not confusing you with my explanation. Okay, so I'm just trying to get the circumference of the sleeve on the band. So after that, I'm sure that I have what I needed. I cut out the excess. Now our band is ready. I'm just trying to cut off the excess on the upper part. Now the next thing we're going to do is take our satin. I'm going to take the satin make a casing for my elastic on the upper part, just as you see me doing it, and then the down part I will make a gather and then join it to the band. Now I'm going to go to machine and come back to show you the outcome. Now I have the casing done. I'll fix the elastic. You can see how puffy is looking already, and then the down part too has been gathered. You can see it. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to join it to the band. Now I'm going to go back to the machine, join the balloon parts to the band part, and then come back to show you the outcome of the sleeve. Okay, so guys, we have the band joined to the balloon part of the sleeve. You can see how beautiful it came out, beautiful and so puffy. As you can see it, all we just have to do is take this beautiful puffy sleeve and then join it to our dress. I actually have a video on how this dress is fixed, so I'm just going to fix, so you can watch out for the video on how the dress is made. So I'll just take this to my machine, then join it, and then come back to show you the outcome, the final look of the sleeve. Guys, this is so beautiful. You can see the opening, the cold shoulder part of the dress, the opening, and how the sleeve is beautiful on the dress. Thank you guys for staying true to the end of this video. I hope you got value watching. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share it with your friends, and then see you in my next tutorial. Thank you everyone. Bye.